Hello, my name is Momo, and today we are making a paper airplane. Now we're going to start making. First step, doing this. Step 2, fold these. Fold one of those two into these. See? I'm just going to be a demonstration. Now here, this is the easy part that you know. Fold this. And then fold it back. It could be a little tricky for you. Let's try this first. Let's just make this smaller first. In the middle is kind of a... Now we complete the airplane that flies good. Let's make it more look better. There. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and always remember, always look at my channel because I always make airplanes. So bye!